Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be, as you have already read,
my everyday kind of a makeup look. This is how I look,
and you can definitely carry this look onto your office, to your college. It's not too stark. You can use any lipstick. I chose this, so even if you go for a very nude look, this is going to rock. And yeah, without any further ado, let's jump in. So guys, the first thing which I will let you know is that what is meant by my everyday skincare
makeup routine, not skincare, it's an everyday makeup routine. I have to remember the titles which I give in the description bar below.
So this is an everyday sort of makeup routine. So by everyday makeup, I do not mean that whenever I come out of the shower and I put on some makeup. It's not like that. Whenever I am at home, I do not even apply a kajal. So for me, everyday makeup routine means like stepping out of your house, going to a market, grocery shop, meeting your friends. So at that time, you do not need like a heavy duty makeup. You just need a slight coverage, to like an even toned skin. You should look fresh and simple and get beautiful. So yeah, this is what I mean when I say everyday makeup. So guys, since we are not using a heavy duty foundation or a concealer, so you need to show that glow from within, that radiance, and for that you need a thick layer of moisturizer. So you can use whatever moisturizer that suits your skin type. To all the people who are new to my channel, I would let you know that my favorite moisturizer is from Plum. It's from their Hello Aloe range, because I am from a very dry skin type. So if you are from that spectrum, you can definitely go for that. And to oily people, you can go for a clean and clear one, the Neutrogena one. There are lots and lots of options available. Since we are not creating that base, so we need something to even out our skin tone, and for that I'm going to show you a very readily available drugstore product. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. This is how this tube looks. It says it's a foundation, but it is not, because even if it's a foundation, then it gives you a very sheer coverage. It's much better than the BB creams out there, and it's like equivalent to the CC cream, the Lakme CC cream. But the only positive, the one plus point which I find in this mousse is that it's very light on your skin. It feels like you have nothing. It's so mild, so gentle. I'll just show you the consistency. And by the way, I am in the shade Rose Ivory. I guess they have 3 to 4 shades, so you can check that out. This is how this cream looks. So now that we have even toned our skin tone using that mousse, we need to set this cream in place so that it does not move or budge whenever you are stepping out. And for that, I'm using my Lakme 9 to 5 Flawless Foundation. I am in the shade Melon Matte. I'm sorry for the ruptured packaging. I am a very messy person. This is how this compact powder looks. Just going to guys, the next step is to enhance some features of your face. We are not going to contour or bronze or put highlighter, nothing like that. So we need an eyebrow pencil to give some sort of features. So again, I'm just going to just use it really naturally and fill my brows. I'm using the Innisfree pencil. It's my favorite. This is retractive.
You get a spoolie. What else do you want, dude?
Can you see the difference between my brows? This is the one where I've filled my brows, and this is the bare one. So you can see that it instantly brings out some depth to your skin, and you do not look like a flat canvas. I'm just going to fill my another brow. And just so guys, this next step is completely optional. Like if you feel like doing it, do it. If you don't, then please don't do it. I like to, I do not like, proper bare lids, so I just like to put some sort of color onto my lids. And you can use any, you can use none, it's totally your choice. I am using the Maybelline The Nudes palette. It looks like this. It has all the warm shades, matte shades, and I am going to use a light brown shade right here, and just putting it onto my lids. Let's do it. Camera captures this or not, but the brown eyeshadow, which is like really warm on your eyes, instantly brings a depth to your face. And again, I'd say that this is a completely optional step. If you like your lids to be bare, you should definitely go for that. So the next product which makes a huge difference onto your face is using a mascara. I know a lot of you do not like using mascara on an everyday basis, but trust me, once you start using it, there's no going back, because then you realize that how much of a difference like opened eyes, which is because of the mascara, makes onto your skin. So the mascara which I am using today and will be using like forever is the Sugar one. This is the Sugar Uptown Curl Waterproof Mascara 01 Black Beauty. I got this mascara in my fab bag, and I am so happy that I received this, because fab bags gives you a lot of information, a lot of products to choose from, and yeah, I got it, and I'll be repurchasing this every single time whenever this gets old. Now that I have applied like a good 4-5 coats of this mascara, the next hack which I would like to tell you is using a nude pencil in your waterline instead of a black one. I have no idea that if this camera is going to capture the effect of using a nude color pencil. I'm talking about a nude color pencil, not a white one, because I feel that the white kajal or these like white pencils tend to make you look like a ghost. But if you apply a good nude pencil, then it instantly brightens up your entire look. So the one which I am using today is from Wet n Wild. It is their cold crayon Polish Yux. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is how this pencil looks, and it's in the shade Nude. So guys, again, the next step is completely optional. I belong to that skin tone which I have yellow undertones, and I tend to look pale from starting only. So I like using a blush on on an everyday basis. But all of you out there, it's completely optional. If you want to skip this step, then you can completely do. So guys, the blush which I am going to use today is this Maybelline New York Dream Touch blush. This is how it looks. I don't know if it's still available or not.
Now that I have a good radiant glowing skin,
I feel very happy. So yeah guys, this is what I feel, that makeup does not necessarily mean that the girls who apply layers of makeup are good looking and they look nice and beautiful. For me, being beautiful is that state in your life where you feel confident, you feel yourself, you feel content, and if you feel that you are good to go and ready to face the world with your bare skin, you can definitely go for that. If you feel like just a tinge of lip balm can enhance my confidence, I look all the more good and I feel good to myself, then go for that. So yeah, this is how it is guys. This natural looking makeup kind of gives me very happiness, I feel good that I did something for myself, what I like. so I'm ready to face everything. So this is what beauty means to me, being at that state and that point. I have been, I'm like digressing a bit from the topic, but guys, this is what beauty means to me. Beauty does not mean applying makeup. As I said before, it means like the state where you feel that you are yourself, and this is what I am feeling right now, that stop procrastinating, guys. I did not see myself today talking to you, talking to the world out there with such a confidence, because I was such a shy girl few months back. I always wanted to be a YouTuber, but there were certain things in my life which were stopping me from being myself. So I just pushed every single thing, and I believed in the theory of carpe diem, seize the moment. And yeah, here I am today talking to all of you. And I want my YouTube family, guys, see, it's such a small time on YouTube, but day by day my subscribers are increasing, and I'm feeling all the more connected to you guys, because I feel that you are my extended family, and I want to spread positivity, like that much positivity which at this stage in my life I am having by myself. I want to spread it with you, so that you all can be a part of this happiness, and everything which is happening, everything, the increasing confidence, my speaking skills, and everything is increasing because of you, your support, your love. And yeah, let's grow together. This is what I want to say. And please seize the moment. There is no tomorrow. Nobody has seen it. I did not see myself talking to you guys like this few months back. So yeah, achieve everything. You are capable of every single thing. Failures will be there, like it's going to be there. I have faced a lot of failures. I have lost a lot of people in my life, but yeah, you have to keep going, because at the end of the tunnel, you can see yourself, your future. So just this tunnel is like a journey. You have to cross it and reach to that point where you see yourself after certain years. I see myself doing something great after 2-3 years. So this is the moment when I should start walking towards my future self, and this is what I am doing. So yeah, push yourself, push every single limit. You can be whatever you guys. बहुत सारे भाषण के बाद, let's come back to the topic, which is like this skin. Oh, again I said skin. What was I saying? Yeah, let's come back to our makeup, and I'm going to show you the last step. Just 1 second. Yeah, I'm back. So the last step is of course a lipstick. You people can definitely opt for a tinted lip balm and whatever you want, but I like to show you one product which is like good for all skin types, which is this sugar lipstick. It's About Time vivid lipstick in the shade Brownton Abbey. This is how this cute little miniature size looks. Again, I got it in my fab bag, and I love the shade. It's such a universal color. This is how this cute bullet lipstick looks, and it's going to suit all skin tones, all. So this is the swatch. So yeah guys, this is how I look after putting not minimalistic makeup, but yeah, a very natural looking face. You can skip or add whatever you want to. You can add your steps, you can erase mine and be whatever you want to be, how you want to look. It's totally your choice. So if you like this look, then please give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, the bell button, so that you get notified every single time I post this a video. So yeah, so till then, stay positive, stay tuned, be happy, take care, and bye bye.